Hi, Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's really easy recipe is fruit salad chicken pitas. We'll start by adding our chicken, apple, celery, some crushed pineapple, some cranberries, some mayonnaise, some lemon juice, onion powder, and some salt. Now we're going to mix this really well. Then we're going to carefully put our chicken salad right inside of it. What's great about this recipe is that it's a great way to use up leftover chicken. Make sure you drain the pineapple, especially if you're going to make these and hold them. Get rid of a lot of that liquid. They'll soak through the pita. If you're on a low-carb diet, just completely omit the pita and just eat the chicken salad. Be creative. You could use a garnish, some parsley or some green onion or something on top to really add that extra color if you want. When you see the word dash in a recipe, that's basically just like a salt and pepper shaker addition. You know, it's not really measured too much, but just a dash. And have fun with this. If you don't like lemon juice, try lime juice, or just try to lower the amount of lemon juice. But really easy recipe. So to recap on today's recipe, I used 1 cup of chicken, half a cup of apple, half a cup of celery, half of a cup of crushed pineapple, 1/4 of a cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt or a dash of salt, and 4 pita halves. I took a bowl and I added the chicken and the next 8 ingredients. I mixed it really well. I carefully opened the pita halves without breaking them. And I evenly divided the chicken salad in between all 4 pitas. And I placed the pitas onto a nice serving platter. Very easy to do, and I hope you can enjoy this one at home. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in the next video, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.